Transferring money from TD to CIBC is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To transfer money from TD to CIBC account, you have to open up the td.com website. Now from its website, you will get to know about the process of how to transfer money between your accounts. So scroll down to see the steps for money transfer. Then tap to access Send Money. Now follow the prompts and open the TD app. From the options listed on the top, select Send Money. Then, within the Send Money screen, select the Globally tab. Now select the Get Started button. If you agree to the terms, select the checkbox and agree to the use and privacy terms. To begin, select Send Money Now. Then, get an estimate. Select the country in which your recipient will receive the funds. Now, enter the amount to send in the field Send Amount. To view your available options, select Get Estimates. Then, you can select any option and confirm the transfer method. After that, select the best transfer method that suits your need. When satisfactory, select the button Continue. On the Fraud Awareness screen, review the warning and tap Continue. Now you have to enter transfer details. Then, enter the account details and the recipient account details as well. So, if you scroll down, you will see that you can add a new recipient as well by the Add button. To add a recipient bank account or Visa card, enter the relevant information. You should get confirmation that your new recipient has been added. For some countries, you may be asked to select the purpose of money transfer. Now select the Continue button and go to the sixth step. Here you can review and confirm the transfer. To ensure that everything is correct, review your transfer details. Then, complete the transfer, select Send Money. You should get a message confirming that your transfer has been accessed.